What's up, guys? Another episode of repairing Skoda Octavia after flood damage.
I'm unstoppable. I'm a vulture with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play.
I just have taken out the main heating and AC control module unit outside. Let's see how bad situation is here. We can see that all is covered with dust. I wanna clean everything. I will take out this sponge from here and clean to make it shine and glossy. And also I will repair and I will put new all electrical connections here. From that our another Skoda Octavia Elegance, not RS, but electrical part. I think this is the same like here. So let's make it. This is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, push the thumbs up button, push the button subscribe, and see you in the next video.